How to turn on or turn off keyboard toolbar on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. Next, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now in here, we then scroll down and tap on keyboard toolbar. Tap on this toggle button to switch it off. Here, so if you turn it off, you still can access the toolbar or the features via this button right next to the spacebar. So if we go and open up the keyboard, so you can see here at the top here, the toolbar is now gone, but we still can access the functions by holding onto this button here, and we can access other functions. And that's it. So here, if I switch on the keyboard toolbar, then you can see if I tap on this button, I have access to the toolbar features here and here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.